Hi guys, welcome back. I got a question about the P05III. It says at what intervals should I clean the damper pipeline on my roaster? And I got to thinking, if only we had a maintenance sheet somewhere, and I remembered the manual. So if we take a look at the manual, it says clean the pipes with a pipe brush. That on the monthly schedule. Remember, we already have a video. Click the card on the corner of your screen to watch that video. So let me go down this chart. The first one is cleaning the shaft on the roaster cyclone. That should be done every 2 to 4 batches and a daily after completion of roasting. So if you're roasting repeatedly, then you can do it at the end of the day, but make sure that every 2 to 4 roasts you're checking to make sure that it doesn't overflow, because you don't want that. That's very bad. And then emptying the chaff tray also should be done at the same rate. When you're done roasting, empty the chaff bucket and the tray on the side. Be careful because it's gonna be hot, either the bucket or the tray. And then the next one, it says to clean the cooling tray sieve. On your purchase of the machine, there's a toolkit, and it has a cleaning wheel with a handle. Click the card on the corner of your screen to watch that video. Air filter is another one. Remove the air filter from the heat engine, blow it from the inside out, and then you can reuse it. After a few uses, you're gonna wanna replace that as well. It says here to clean the roasting fan housing, the cooler fan housing. The cleaning method should be the same. Remove the roaster, the fan up, clean it, and then set it back down. Probat has a video on how to clean the roasting fan housing. Click on the card if you want to watch that video. It says here the gear oil on the motor, the drum drive motor. You have to do a visual inspection. If you hear noises, you gotta check the oil level. Again, you can check the videos by clicking on the card as well. And the last two are annually. Monitoring the soiling of motors and roasting and the cooling fan, and clean as necessary. So in other words, give it a once over. Replace the filter, I talked about that. And it says every 10,000 hours of operation, but at least every 2 years, change the gear motor, because it's a wear and tear, and you're gonna wanna do an oil change like a car. Clean the gear motor ventilation screws and replace as necessary. Okay, I hope those cleaning tips and maintenance help you. Till next time.